Who says you can't have pizza for breakfast? In my house, you can, but only on Saturday mornings. It's our tradition, Saturday pizza breakfast, ever since the kids were very young, and it kind of stuck. Well, I also threatened to switch off the Wi-Fi if they were to skip Saturday morning pizza breakfast. That helps. Today, I'm going to be making a breakfast slice pizza with a mini omelette and sauteed tomatoes, using Untitled Pizza's snack slices, bacon and cheese. First things first. Let's place our snack slices in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, preheated to 200 degrees. In a pan on high heat, add a drizzle of olive oil. Once the pan starts to smoke, add the tomatoes and season with some salt and some pepper. Saute and shake the pan frequently until the tomatoes soften and the skins begin to wrinkle. About 2 minutes. Now stir in the 2 crushed garlic cloves and continue to shake and toss the pan until the garlic becomes fragrant. And just before you remove the tomatoes from the heat, stir in the fresh basil. That's it. And set aside and keep warm. Now for the mini omelettes. In a bowl, crack open the eggs. 3 eggs will make 2 mini omelettes. Beat well with a fork until there are no traces of egg whites left. This will help produce an omelette which has a lovely even color. Season with some salt, pepper, and dried mixed herbs. Now add 2 tablespoons of milk to the eggs and whisk with your fork. This will help with the fluffiness. And let's fry. Take a small pan and place on medium-low heat. Add a little knob of butter, enough to coat the pan. The secret to a great omelette is low and slow, pretty much like our vaccine rollout. Pour enough egg mixture until the base of the pan is covered. Using a spatula, keep moving the eggs briskly. At first, the eggs will be quite runny. Use the spatula to scramble around the edges and into the center. Continue doing this until the eggs start to set. The constant shaking and stirring will make for a delicious and creamy omelette. At this point, if you are feeling a little confident, you can flip the omelette over. Now gently remove the omelette from the pan and roll it into a cigar. It's as easy as that. Repeat until all your mini omelettes are done. By now your pizza slices are ready, so out the oven. Delicious. Let's assemble our slices.
Kids, babe, breakfast is ready.
First the cigar-like omelette. Beautiful. Then top with your sauteed tomatoes. You can reheat them if they need to be warmed up again. And let's add some more fresh basil leaves. And we're done.
Guys, come eat now. I'm shutting down the Wi-Fi.
You guys are so predictable. Guys, what did I say about your phones at the breakfast table? Huh?
Babe, come eat. Who you on the phone with? The electrician? But I told you I was gonna fix the plugs in the garage doors.
It was on my to-do list today. Oh, in this house, everyone's a critic.